from Nalanda's legendary libraries to Takshashila's sacred courtyards. For thousands of years, India stood as the world's greatest center of learning. Today, it is rising again as a global educational powerhouse. The world once came to India for wisdom. Today, they come for the future. And this future is being led by LPU through its education revolution.
Moçambique é uma terra abraçada pela costa. Mozambique is a land shaped by traditions that value skills, adaptability, and perseverance. Growing up here teaches you how things work and how effort turns ideas into movement. Hi, I'm Luis Americo Daos, a BTech Mechanical Engineering student from Mozambique at lovely Professional University. When I first arrived at LPU, I didn't feel like I had left Mozambique behind. I felt like I had stepped into a larger, more connected world. The scale of the campus, the diversity of students, and the exchange of ideas from across the globe made me feel welcomed from day one. What truly defined my experience here was LPU's Edu Revolution. With this approach, learning turns into real opportunity. Students work on live projects, gain real industry exposure, and even generate revenue that supports their education. Here, grades are upgraded based on real projects, real experience, and real outcomes, not just exams. Modern workshops, advanced laboratories, and industry-driven projects transformed theory into hands-on learning and real-world skills. Alongside academics, LPU residential facilities are truly top-notch. Comfortable hostels, a clean and hygienic mess, and all essential amenities that make campus life smooth, secure, and focused on growth. Beyond academics, campus life opened me to the world, celebrating Indian festivals on campus, experiencing diverse cultures up close, and forming friendships with students from across the globe made every day enriching. It wasn't just about studying engineering, it was about growing in a truly global environment. Mozambique will always be where my journey began, but LPU became the place where my technical foundation strengthened, my confidence grew, and my future as a mechanical engineer